So, if you saw my Instagram story, you'll see that she finally let me down. I'm not entirely sure what happened. I'm going to try to get into the trunk. I think it's probably the main fusible link, but I don't know. And of course, getting into the trunk when you've got a power trunk release can be a bit of an adventure. So I've learned a couple of possible methods. I'm going to try the first one, which is the easier of the two, I think. And we'll get at it and see what happened. So, first thing we're going to do, check for voltage and continuity. Down in here, I guess we'll start with continuity just to see if it's as simple as a pop fuse here, which would be ideal. Then I don't have to try to fight to get into the trunk. But see what happens. Okay, well, all of the fuses look good. Pardon my hair, it's Sunday. This is not how the day was supposed to go. Definitely was not planning on filming anything today, but as Tom Exton would say, everything is content. And of course, it's starting to rain, so we're going to put this on hold for a little while and come back if and when it stops, because so far it hasn't really stopped this summer. Talk to you in a few. Okay, the rain has stopped. Of course, there's a plane flying overhead. All the fuses checked out, so we're going to try to pop the trunk using what I think is going to be the easy method. Let's see how that goes. This is not how this day was supposed to end up. That is a jumper prong, and then I guess I will ground it to the door hinge. That's been recently painted, so we'll try that, and let's see what happens. All right, that was a win. I'll take it. Now, I got to try to find the fusible link, which is apparently attached directly to the battery. Here's hoping. That would be nice. Be nice if that's what it was, too. Of course, it would also be nice if I knew what caused this. Well, would you look at that? Let me think. I wonder why the car wouldn't start. Really? Well, at least this is a short video. Thanks to Deck It or Wreck It for hooking me up on short notice with the tow, though. Jeff is always my go-to when I need tow service. Thankfully, I don't need it very often, but when I do, he's the guy. Link to his Instagram below. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just reconnect that and call it a day. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram. Link for that is also below. I'm on TikTok too. Not that I'm doing much on there, but I am there. I'll leave a link for that as well. And catch you next video.